So guys, we got the anchor hooked up here. Got a little extension cord. I got to run it a little better, but we're gonna set it up here. The big reveal. Let's see if I can get this tripod here set up. We'll be right back. All right, here we go. See if I can get past my camera here. Woo! This place needs organized. All right, here we go. Okay. All right. Wow. So much better in here. Do activities right here. Man, yeah, I'll still use my little handheld shop lights, but you know, and I can always expand and get more. So that may be a possibility too. Right now, it's pulling 188 watts, which isn't bad. And I was at 85% charge. It says at this rate, it'll be 4.2 hours that I can have light. So we'll do, I have a solar panel to hook up to it. So we'll kind of experiment with that to see if I can hook that up and charge while I'm in here. We'll see how it goes. All right, well, we're gonna start the Z up here. All right, here we go. Makes all the right noises. What's up, guys? On today's video, we're going to be working on the Z. Got to replace the oil pressure sensor. It the other day when I was pulling it out, it sprung a leak. I don't know if you can see it down there. Try to get the camera in here. It's just right above the starter, and it was broke when I put the engine in it, and never really cared about it because I have a new oil pressure sensor for the EFI swap that I have coming. But we're gonna give this a go, at least so that I can move the car around, maybe even drive it. Some nice weather out in the skies today. So there we go, we got it out. Not really sure where it was leaking from, but it definitely, let me see if I can get the camera down in here. No, not really, but it was pouring all over the starter. So we'll get this other one hooked up. It's just for the gauge. Not that that really tells you much, but at least it won't leak. Okay, so we just got the sensor replaced. We're gonna turn this on here so that I can see how bad we're leaking, if we're leaking. Hopefully not. But we'll give this a go. She's been sitting for about I don't know, 2 months. Alright, let's go check and see if we have an oil leak still. Woo-hoo, look at that. Ember leak. Sounds pretty good. Get that wrench off of there before it ends up in the motor or the fan. Shut her off and check the oil. Pull this out. There ain't no oil on it. Whoops. Let's remedy that. See if I can hit the hole here. Woo! Right. See what oil we can find. Think I have some. Yeah. That'll do. Right. See how much of this oil I can pour everywhere. Scheiße. All right. Let me go attempt to find a funnel. Success. She's all full and didn't spill a drop. Professionals, I tell you. Well, we made it to the gas station, but the tire is pretty low on this side, so I'm gonna fill them all up, get some gas. Put some 93. Let's check this oil leak. Looks good to me. Alright, let's fill her up. Hit the road. Alright, we're all gassed up. We're gonna go on a little cruise here. Fill the tires up. Good to go. And one more thing before I go, if anybody has any suggestions on how to mount this guy, comment below. How should I hang this? I thought about magnets, but I don't really think that's going to work with this. I mean, the magnets do stick, but the magnets that I've been finding just are not strong enough. So let me know.